excellence in most fields requires a balance, yeah? And that in safety, it's particularly important. And imagining that in our leadership and for our people, we're looking for them to balance performance and recovery. So we need to use these sort of skills I've seen in the chat where people are being mindful and reflecting on what that is for people. The foundation of performance is this sort of balance, and there's been a really great study in legal firms. We know they're renowned for being, hardworking and pushing in this really transactional directive style. And there was a comparison by Dollard and a group who've written about the safety climate, and they compared the sort of legal firm that actually focuses on a balanced approach to performance versus a legal firm that was more traditional. And they found some pretty extraordinary numbers. Now, they're numbers that are numbers, positive numbers, but we know this in our heart from our own stories. And I would love it if you could put in the chat a story for you. The numbers were like a 28% increase in innovation, a 22% increase in quality, and I think it was a 31% decrease in turnover.